Alright guys, so today we're going to be unboxing Beetlejuice steelbook. This was available in several stores, but I bought this copy at Best Buy. Okay, so this is the cover. This is going to be like a matte type finish. It's really smooth. None of this is embossing or at all. And this is the back. It's pretty neat. And then you have the spine. Let's take a look inside. Okay, this is the inside of it. Just a regular Blu-ray disc. Unfortunately, no art on it. And then there's the inside of it. And there you have the full steelbook. Again, this was only, I think, $11.99 at Best Buy. So, yeah.